Hello everyone. So today I thought I'll probably show you a few simple things that I tried recently to display some icons, some ASCII icons on my D menu on my taskbar, and doing it is actually very simple, and it works most of the times, not really always. So let me show you. So if you of course are using something like xsetroot, so basically xsetroot is a command that you can use to basically set the items or things that will appear on your taskbar. And this is something that I have been using from day one when I started using DWM, dmenu and st terminal. Basically, when I first tried Arch Linux, I basically tried using the suckless utilities, and I'm very happy that I made a decision. And you have to, of course, configure each and everything. Now, one thing that I was trying to do is I was trying to display the icons for the weather. Now, I use this simple command called not really a command, basically this wttr.in. And good thing about this wttr.in is that when you make a REST, not a REST call, I guess you're just simply fetching. It is a REST call, but when you fetch something, you can actually see here that if you pass this parameter, like %c, let me just remove it. It will then, give you the icon as well. And good thing about this icon is that it also appears nicely on your taskbar. But this is not it. What you can also do is you can also use your own icons if you have to. For example, so for example, let us say this is a command, right? And this command is getting us something. And maybe what we can do is we can probably have some variable for this. Let us say the variable is, current weather. And when you basically want to do notify send, you can also, current weather. And what you can do is you can refer to that particular variable in your notify send, and it will then display this nice icon. You can of course change the size of it if you want, but this looks good. And of course, I know it's very small, but the main thing is that the icons are displayed. But the thing that I wanted to talk about is if you're using, let us say, xsetroot, or if you're using notify send, let us use xsetroot first. So what I will do is xsetroot and -name, and I think you have to specify here something. Okay, so this works. So what you can do is you can actually copy and paste the ASCII characters from the internet, or if you know the characters already. For example, let me just find one of the character here so that I can show you. Maybe this one. It looks like an asterisk, but maybe this one, telephone. Why not? So you can just copy it, and if you paste it here, it will get displayed. It is very small. Okay, let me just try to do notify send. So you have to specify something in the summary. So it looks fine. And the thing is that whenever you're working with these icons will most likely work fine. But sometimes it happened to me. It happened to me once or twice, and I didn't really do it. Sometimes it will crash, and I have no idea why. So maybe I need to explore it. But if you're trying to just use icons, you can. So what I will do is I will, for me, if you look at my taskbar, I'm just displaying, the time, memory usage, and Nothing much here, and it's all text based. And I think sometimes it can be useful if you are displaying some, nice colors and maybe some icons, because why not? I don't really have time to basically make this beautiful, but for me it's more about the usability. But what I was trying to say is that you can actually have icons in your xset root. I mean, using xsetroot, or you can have your icons in the taskbar, or maybe if you want to use notify send, because I use notify send for doing few things. For example, when I take when I copy a link and I add it to my bookmark, I also notify that yes, bookmark was added, or it was not added because it was already there. And it is always good to have these icons, I believe. So maybe I will modify it, but it works. Broadly, it works. And I'm not really sure why sometimes it crashes, but I'm sure, it's probably because of some formatting, or I need to, I don't know, I need to double check, but do give it a try. Just copy and paste these icons and it should work. All right, that is it for today. Bye bye.